Hello and welcome back to the Be Jones Style channel. Today's video is highly requested. It's an eBay extravaganza. How I search eBay. It's a haul of the things that I found on eBay during quarantine, and it's also a styling video sharing with you guys 5 different outfits, all with my current eBay find. You guys know I love a good hunt. I love finding vintage gems, and right now that is not possible for me to go to any of the stores that I usually hit up. So I have turned to eBay to find some of those things. I used eBay way back in the day when it first started, and there were a ton of vintage shops within eBay. And then there was a really long lag of time where I didn't use eBay. But Annette from Vintage Splendor always was talking about eBay and how she was finding things on eBay. And that really inspired me to give eBay a try again. First started with finding these pair of boots. They were such a good eBay find. That got me hooked. From that point on, I was hooked on eBay, and I have started using it a lot. Whenever I wear something and I say I found it at eBay, you guys have always asked, how are you finding these things on eBay? This whole video is going to be about the process that I go through to find all of the gems, and then also I gave myself the challenge to find 5 things over the last month while in quarantine and then style up those 5 fine. Let's hop into how I do this. There is no big rhyme or reason. I'm almost embarrassed to tell you because I don't follow any rules necessarily, but I'll just basically walk you through the process. I usually search eBay using my phone, and I use the eBay app, and this is how it usually goes. I'm watching a show on TV, and I'm also on my phone. I'm scrolling through Instagram. I happen upon a photo that inspires me. This one in particular is Karen Chic, of course, and she's got this gorgeous vintage dress on. It almost looks like a vintage slip. Even the color is inspiring me. It's more of a peachy toned dress. So what I might do is then I'm going to hop over to eBay. I'm gonna search, in this case, I'm gonna search vintage peach dress. That's the first step, is putting in the description. eBay can get cluttered with some of these random new pieces that I don't like. I go into filter, I select the category, so I go down to women, women's clothing. I'm even gonna select dresses because I am looking for a dress. So I put that filter on it, and then this is the other filter that I do. And this might be strange, but this is what I like to do, is I like to go into the condition and I pick pre-owned, because I don't want any reproduction of vintage. Then I just start scrolling. So I already see just so many really pretty peach dresses. I might even go in and filter by, instead of best match, I might go by the lowest price plus shipping. Start at the bottom and work my way up. I usually have a budget in mind that I want to spend. 1970 nightgown, which is funny because it's, of course, it's a nightgown. It's not as beautiful as the dress that Karen was wearing, but it does have some of that same appeal. And actually, I really like this. I feel like this could be worn as just a slip dress. You could wear it with kind of a robe styling over it. You could put it over a t-shirt. You could put a tight ribbed turtleneck shirt under this. I do really like that. It's $20, not bad. I am going to heart it, which then throws that into my watch list. And then I'll go into my eBay section, which I can then select what I'm watching. And these are all the pieces that I'm watching right now. These are things that I've been on a hunt for, I found, I hearted, but I wasn't ready to pull the trigger yet, but I went ahead and put them into my watching section. One tip that's really great with this is if you do put that into your watched section, the owner gets alerted that you're watching their item, and they often will send you a discounted price, and you'll get an alert on your phone that says, you know, this seller has dropped the price by 25% and now they're offering you this price. I often use that, and I end up then purchasing the item because all of a sudden it's discounted and I want it. Other little tips with searching would be certain brands that you might want to search. Go into your closet and look for things that you have found that you love and look at the tag and search that tag in eBay to see if you can find similar items. I might search very broad 1970s pants. I might search super broad like that, or I might get really specific like lavender evening maxi dress. And that is the fun thing with eBay, is that if there's something that catches your eye or inspires you, you can really start to just search for something like that. You never know what you are going to find. Those green boots that I showed you in the very beginning, I stumbled on those by looking for something else, and then I saw those and I had to have them. I have been hunting over the last month for my 5 items, and I think I found a really fun assortment. I am now going to give you a little bit of a haul of the items that I found over the last month, and I'm going to style up looks for each of those finds. I'm going to let the find inspire the outfit. So let's go. You guys ready for this? outfits, all found on eBay. I hope this gave you guys a little bit of a jumping off place when it comes to searching eBay. Like I said, I don't have some big method. I honestly just kind of do it whenever I'm watching TV or something and I'm kind of scrolling but not really paying attention, and it's just like a fun little distraction. And I really had so much fun styling up those 5 outfits because I've saved them all for this video, so I haven't actually worn any of them yet. It was so much fun to bring them to life for you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please let me know down in the comments what outfit was your favorite, but I would also love to know if you have tips on how you use eBay, what you search for, keywords, brand names, and tags that you look for. I know that we all want to know, so put those down in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have videos every single Thursday. Hit YouTube at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every single week. Always play dress up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!